Do you want to unfriend someone on Snapchat? You can remove someone from Snapchat with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unfriend someone on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you're on Snapchat, tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to view your recent conversations and friends list. Now, scroll through the list and tap and hold the name of the friend you want to unfriend and remove from Snapchat. A pop-up menu with several options will appear. From this menu, tap on Manage Friendship. Another menu will appear. Tap on Remove Friend. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. Tap on Remove again to confirm. Now, the selected person has been unfriended and deleted from your Snapchat.